Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to upload YouTube videos the right way, okay? Because there are a lot of things you need to know about uploading. A lot of people are doing the right thing but are doing it in the very wrong way. Do you understand? Now in this video I'm going to show you step by steps of how to upload YouTube videos, how to arrange them, put your title, your description, your tags, keywords and the rest of them, okay? Now let me take you bit by bit. I will share my screen with you right now so you see how I do it, okay? All right, now here, this is it. Now for instance, uploading with your YouTube Chrome is different. Maybe when you're uploading with your desktop, you're uploading with your YouTube app and the rest of them, okay? But if you want to upload the right way, you understand, and you want to use desktop, just go to your YouTube Chrome, okay? I'm going to show you how to do it now. Go to your YouTube Chrome and then go to YouTube Studio. Are you getting my point? Your YouTube Studio. Now when you go to your YouTube Studio, now this is what you will do, okay? Now look at this place, this position at the top right, okay? Here they wrote create. Just click on it, click on upload videos. Now select file, select file, now videos. As it's loading, okay, let's just select any of this video from here. Now as it's uploading, you can see it's uploading, okay? You can see it's uploading. So now it's going to come up here and ask you to put your title. You get? Now look at it here. In this title, don't make mistake. And again, your title also helps the YouTube algorithm, you understand, to know the name of your video and what your video is talking about. That's another key point of what your video is all about. Are you getting my point? So now you're going to put your title now. Let's say how to upload the right way. How to upload the right way. Good. Now you come down here, this description. Remember, this description, this is where you make known to the algorithm, you understand, what your video is all about. You're going to describe what people are going to learn in your video. You're going to summarize what your video is talking about. Are you getting my point? Now from there you put your keywords. Are you getting me? You put your keywords, or you can add, let me say, just 2 or 3 of your keywords, you understand? Then you come down here, okay? I'm just using a dummy channel, you understand, to give you this illustration, okay? Then playlist. Make sure you always add your videos to playlists, because playlists also encourages more views. Are you getting my point? Because for instance, you are uploading a video and your video is all about, maybe let's say tech, for instance, or right now that we are talking about YouTube tips here now. Are you getting my point? Your video is all about YouTube tips. So what you're going to do is you're going to name your playlist YouTube tips, you understand, or how to upload videos on YouTube 2025. Are you getting my point? Now this playlist name is another search engine optimization key that is going to help people search for anything that is talking about maybe how to grow your YouTube channel or how to make your videos go viral or stuff like that. You see that your playlist will be coming out. Are you getting my point? So now let's dive down here. Select your playlist. If you don't have it, create one. Look at it, create new playlist. You understand? Now come down here, thumbnails. You see all these things. These are the things. Now the most important thing I want to show you, forget about this, just a dummy, okay? Your own will not show all these things, but my interest here is to tell you about, now, not made for kids. Are you getting it? Show more. Click on show more. It comes down here. You see this paid promotion, this actually asking you if your video is actually paid. Did someone pay you for you to make such video? You understand? Are you getting it? A kind of promotive video. I get. So now you click yes or no. You check the button yes or no. Then you come down here, altered content. This altered content actually mean if your YouTube video is actually generated by AI or you actually did YouTube video by yourself. Are you getting my point? Now you click on yes or no. Then here, automatic chapters, you can leave that. Then now here, tags. Now in this tag option, make sure you don't joke with tags. Tags helps the YouTube algorithm, you understand, to meet to your video's needs. Are you getting my point? Now tags are very important. Just for instance, this video we are posting now, how to upload the right way. This video we are uploading now, you understand, the tags about this video are things that's going to help the SEO, search engine optimization, you understand, to optimize your video and help your video, you understand, meet its goals. Because your goals here in each video you upload on YouTube is to actually make that video go viral and get more views, more engagement, more likes, and the rest of them. Are you getting my point? So now, what you're going to add in these tags will be YouTube tips. For instance, don't go and copy because you saw somebody using some tags or keywords to make their video go viral, and then you just copy. Don't go and copy any tags you see online there and post it on your video, because each video has separate tags you can generate for it, or tags that can enhance search engine optimization. Are you getting my point? So for instance, this video now, how to upload the right way, what you have to get as your tags is YouTube tips, how to upload YouTube videos the right way, how to grow your YouTube channel. Are you getting my point? These are the kind of things you're going to use to get or tell the search engine optimization, you understand, to be more friendly with your content. Are you getting my point? Now down here you can see we have blogs category. Are you getting me? We have people and blog. Now this category, okay, so in this category, let's click on it. Entertainment, if your video is about entertainment or whatever. Are you getting me? Now we have education, comedy, autos and vehicle. So now you know that your video is an educational video. Are you getting my point? For instance, if you are the one making this video I'm making right now, you see that you're going to select education, because your video is educative. You're actually trying to teach people, you understand, how you do something or how you achieve something, so you're going to choose education. Okay, so right now you see as your video is uploading, then you click on next. Okay, now sorry, you see here made for kids or not made for, you say no, it's not made for kids. I get my point. Now you can click on next. Why you click on next? Now watch here, this look at this place. Now you see related videos, you can continue to add related video. Now this add related video is if you have a video you already uploaded that is talking about this same topic. Are you getting my point? If you have videos that you have uploaded that is making reference to this kind of content you are actually making right now, video you're actually making right now, you are going to click on this ad. When you click on this ad, then you select that video. Are you getting my point? So now let's click on next. The reason why I'm taking time to explain all these things like this to you is because you actually need to take it step by step. Are you getting my point? This YouTube studio, okay, a lot of people are making these mistakes of uploading video with their YouTube mobile. Please, there are a lot of difference. In fact, you won't even have the chance and opportunity to put your to make your video optimized, to make your video well optimized. Are you getting my point? Now here, watch this. Now next, checks. Now in this place where they are actually trying to check if you have a copyright issue. Okay, now here comes another thing. Let's click on next. This is one last thing I want to tell you. Now you see this place, this visibility. Whenever you're uploading your video, please make sure that your video is on private. Don't put your videos on public when uploading it. It's very, very wrong, and it will make you not to grow on YouTube. Seriously, I have made this mistake, and oh my god, I'm actually learning the hard way. You understand? If you watch closely online, you see there are a lot of people who have this same type of content I'm sharing with you right now. Are you getting my point? Make sure, in fact, YouTube enhances and respects videos that are being uploaded on private before setting them to public. Seriously, because you are trying to tell YouTube that you don't just want to explore videos or things that are irrelevant. You understand? You're just trying to maintain the YouTube standard. Do you get? Now when you put your video on public, YouTube would not analyze your video. YouTube would not calm down and read, you understand, scan or scroll your videos. Are you getting my point? But when you put your videos on private, you are actually telling YouTube that you are giving it the opportunity to look through your video, analyze your video, check the video descriptions, make use of the tags, and then promote this video for you, for viewers, and then to bring these videos in the front of people who are likely to click on it and to watch it. By so doing, that video is going to do well, because at that moment that video is actually meeting its goal. Nobody want to post videos on YouTube and then not wanting that video to go far. Are you getting my point? All right, so now when you click on private, then you save. You understand? You save. Are you getting my point? Now when you save, give this video time. It's gonna upload. Okay, once it upload and the upload is done, allow it for like few hours before you set it to public. By then you have cross-checked your tags, your keywords, your description. You have read through them, you have checked everything and make sure that everything about your video is well cooked and perfectly done. That is when you are going to set it to public. Then your video will be visible to everybody on YouTube. Are you getting my point? And you see a lot of people, because your video has a high demand. Are you getting me? Your video has a high demand of people who are likely to watch. You know, everybody want to know how to grow their YouTube channel and make their videos have more views, you know, and a lot of them, you understand? So that's how you're gonna upload your video. Please, if you see any of these things I'm saying, you know, you see any light in these things I'm saying here, please do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, so anytime I make tips like this about how to grow your YouTube and how to make money online, text and all those stuff, even latest AI updates and so on, you can be the first to get notified about the new video and the new updates I'm dropping. Okay, thank you very much for watching, and then do well to subscribe, like and share my videos on YouTube. Thank you very much.